radio. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.